learn why was Inamgaon an important site of excavation. As we see, Inamgaon tells us a lot about the Vedic age. So it is an important burial site which tells us about the lives of the people during this age. So Inamgaon is a historical site located on the banks of the river Ghat, a tributary of the river Bhima. The economy of the people of this area was largely dependent upon cattle and farming. And why is Inamgaon famous? Inamgaon is famous for its ancient burials and graves. What does burials tell us? They not only tell us about the skeleton of that person, but it also gives us a lot of insight about the lives of the people of that particular era. So this was basically a post-Harappan site, and what do we find here? We will read about that in this part of the chapter. So Inamgaon was basically a Chalcolithic settlement discovered near Pune in Maharashtra. And it is also said that the economy of the people was based largely on farming and cattle rearing. Rice, beans, gram, wheat, lentils, and barley were some of the main crops grown over here. The pottery found was red in color with black designs. Stone tools and blade tools were also recovered from the sites. Tools and ornaments made of copper and gold have also been found. The houses were all rectangular in shape in this area. And the houses were mostly made up of what? It was mostly made up of mud and thatched with grass. Storage facilities for grain were also available. Inamgaon was well known for its ancient burials and graves. Vessels containing food and water were also placed within the grave. Why? So, because the people during this time believed that after death, the person entered into another world. And so, for that person's subsistence or for that person's proper living in the other world, they thought that these equipments or the whatever the person had in its earlier life when he was alive was needed to stay in that life as well. So they placed these things along with his grave. I hope that I have been able to make one thing clear, that is the significance of the place Inamgaon. So now we will see that it was occupied between 3600 and 2700 years ago. What was done here? The largest mound is also known as Inamgaon, and it has been extensively excavated and studied for its archaeological finds. The site was occupied between 3800 to 3200 approximately, but also 3600 and 2700 years are also regarded, or 1800 to 1200 BC. The Chalcolithic, this settlement actually belonged to the Jorve culture. So the Chalcolithic settlement was excavated in order to better understand the early and later Jorve culture. Why is it so important? Because we see over here that the dead body was laid straight with head facing towards the north. So these have few significance. And what else do we see in this area? Here the adults were generally buried in the ground with the head towards the north and laid out straight. Sometimes burials were within the houses as well. Vessels that probably contained food and water were placed